beautiful ladies. Today I'm talking to you about contouring 101. So let's get started. I'm going to pull my hair back just so that you can see my full skin. And so far I just have foundation on. I am starting with a contouring stick, and this was a limited edition. I have a couple that I might be able to source for you still. But the contouring stick is cream base and it's super easy to apply. I'm basically drawing in the lines and focusing on where the shadow would fall on my face. If I'm standing in the sun and the sun would shine at my face, that's where the shadow would be. So I'm drawing those lines, they're very vertical. I'm also adding concealer in the spots where the sun would shine on my face and it would be light there and not shadow. So I'm following the natural contour of my face. So if you look at yourself across from the window, you can see the light really opens up your eyes because it shines on your eye area. I am doing a little bit of a light concealer in the nose corner, like right where the nose touches the rest of my cheek. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it out specifically because I want my nose to look skinnier. And I don't always do this, but we're talking about full-on contour. So I'm going to add light there. So when I blend everything out, my nose will look with the shadow just on the sides. My nose will look slimmer. Now for some of you who have a wide nose and you want to have a skinnier nose, this will be a really good trick to do. So you continue the concealer from under the eye all the way to where your nose line is. Now I'm going to continue blending. Typically I would use a sponge for my concealer. Today I'm just using a finger. Either way, it's fine. I'm going to continue with a blending brush. And this brush to me is very, very special. It is a Mary Kay brush for foundation. I personally really love it for using creams and blending out creams such as contouring stick, even cream cheek color. I think this one is so packed with brush bristles that it's amazing. I'm also going to use translucent powder here to set my light colors. So I'm using translucent powder wherever there's light on my face. Cheek color today, I'm adding a little bit of Rosy Nude. It's my favorite cheek color right now. And this brand new highlighter I absolutely love because it just adds the right amount of sparkle. I'm adding it right on the top, and I'm not talking too specifically about where I'm putting it because I think you can see. And the main point here is that I apply the creams and then I go over it with a powder. So I just used a latte contour powder to set my contouring stick, and it will just allow it to sit and be set for the entire day. Now here I'm using the products on just half of my face, and specifically so you can see the difference. I have a round face, and so I think it's very clear to see how much contouring helps my face shape. And there's a little peekaboo from a little child over there. And the other one is playing with the lights I have, so that's where the lights are like flickering funny. And here is half of my face. You can actually see how much I really don't have a jawline anymore. And on the other end, I have drawn on a jawline. Now when you're talking about pictures, video, when you come to a special event, you want this to be very visible. You want those lines to be very visible. And so this is not necessarily every day. It may be for someone, but it's not every day. And here I'm going to do the other half. I'm just going to speed through it, blend everything out. I'm doing liquid and cream first. Then I'm setting it with the powder. Translucent powder for the concealer, contouring powder for my contour, and then blending everything with my translucent powder. Let's add a little bit more shimmer, and then we're going to do the other side of my lipstick because, of course, it makes a huge difference. And it looks so funny because I think my just look so much bigger when they're outlined with a lip liner. I am actually currently working with an orthodontist to correct my overbite and my jaw issues, which I did not even know I had. So contouring always made me feel more confident in helping me feel like my shape of my face is overall just even. So it's a great way to be able to make symmetrical lines in your face. And here is the finished product, and I love how it makes my chin feel. I have a neck. And so thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe below and come back for more videos. I would love to hear from you what you thought of this one.